Hello and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to break down a sample fitness trainer job application letter, step by step. Whether you're applying for a position at a local gym, a wellness studio, or even a private training facility, this example will help you craft a strong, professional, and personalized application letter. Let's get started with the header section of the letter. This part is always placed at the top and aligned to the left, following the traditional business letter format. We begin with the applicant's full name, Alexandra M. Bennett. Then her full address, 2274 Ridgewood Drive, Boulder, Colorado, 80304. Next is her phone number, 720-555-3927. And finally, her professional email address, alex.bennett.fit@email.com. Including your full contact information at the top ensures the employer knows exactly how to reach you. Always use a professional email. Avoid anything overly casual or personal, like fitqueen22@email.com. Use your name if possible. Next is the date of the letter, July 15th, 2025. It's important to include the date so the employer knows when you sent your application, especially if they're reviewing many candidates over time. Then we have the recipient's details. This is who you're sending the letter to. Hiring manager, Iron Core Fitness Center, 8125 Westview Avenue, Denver, Colorado, 80221. Even if you don't know the hiring manager's name, addressing it to hiring manager is still professional. If you do know their name, it's even better to personalize it. Then comes the subject line. Subject: application for fitness trainer position. This line is optional but helpful. It immediately tells the reader what the letter is about. You're applying for the fitness trainer position. Simple, clear, and direct. Now, let's get into the actual body of the letter, beginning with the salutation. Dear hiring manager, always include a salutation. Dear hiring manager is a safe and respectful choice if you don't know their exact name. If you know it, use their last name with the appropriate title. For example, Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Johnson. Now we move into the introduction paragraph. I am writing to express my strong interest in the fitness trainer position at Iron Core Fitness Center. With a passion for health and wellness and over 4 years of experience coaching clients toward their fitness goals, I'm confident that my skills and dedication align perfectly with your gym's high standards and energetic environment. Let's break this down. The very first sentence is clear and direct. The applicant states the purpose right away. She's applying for the fitness trainer position. This is important because it shows professionalism and makes it easier for the employer to file or categorize the letter. Then she immediately supports her application with a brief overview of her qualifications. She has over 4 years of experience and a passion for health and wellness. That's great because it tells the employer not only what she's done, but also that she's motivated. And the sentence finishes strong by connecting her skills and personality to the employer's workplace culture. Words like high standards and energetic environment are a nice touch. They show she's done a little research or has a good understanding of the company's vibe. Let's move on to the second paragraph, which dives into the details. Currently, I work as a certified personal trainer at Peak Performance Gym in Boulder, where I design customized training programs, conduct group classes, and guide clients through weight loss, strength training, and rehabilitation routines. I hold certifications from NASM, National Academy of Sports Medicine, and CPR, or AED, and I am skilled in using modern fitness equipment and technology to track client progress. This paragraph really builds credibility. It names her current workplace, Peak Performance Gym, and explains her main responsibilities: designing custom programs, leading classes, and supporting clients with a variety of goals. Each task she mentions highlights an important skill. Program design shows knowledge, group classes show leadership, and rehabilitation support shows care and adaptability. She also includes key certifications. NASM is widely respected, And CPR or AED shows she's safety conscious, which is very important in fitness roles. Ending with her ability to use modern fitness tools and tech is great. It shows she's up to date, which employers really appreciate in today's fast-moving industry. Now let's look at the third paragraph, which emphasizes her personal approach and accomplishments. My approach to training is built on trust, motivation, and measurable outcomes. I've worked with a diverse range of clients, from beginners to athletes, and helped many achieve impressive results. For instance, I recently coached a client through a 12-week weight loss transformation program, which resulted in a 25-pound reduction and improved overall health markers. This is one of the strongest parts of the letter. She talks about her approach, which tells the employer about her personality and philosophy. This is what makes a trainer stand out. Mentioning trust, motivation, and measurable outcomes is powerful. It shows she's not just about exercise, but about relationship building and real progress. And by including a specific result, a 25-pound weight loss in 12 weeks, she gives a concrete example of success. Numbers and outcomes are compelling and show she can deliver results. The next paragraph is about why she wants to work at this specific place. I admire Iron Core Fitness Center's reputation for fostering a positive, inclusive fitness community and your dedication to providing top-notch training services. I would be proud to contribute to your team and support members in achieving their health and fitness goals. This is where she shows that she's not just sending out the same letter to every gym. She's taking time to acknowledge Iron Core's unique qualities, its reputation, its community, and its training standards. Employers love when candidates demonstrate this kind of interest. It means the applicant isn't just looking for any job. They want this job. Now we move into the closing paragraph, which invites further conversation. I have attached my resume for your consideration. I would be thrilled to meet with you and further discuss how my background and enthusiasm for fitness can benefit your organization. Please feel free to contact me at 720-555-3927 or via email at alex.bennett.fit@email.com to arrange a convenient time. This is polite, confident, and clear. She reminds them that her resume is attached, expresses a strong interest in meeting, and provides her contact information again. This makes it easy for the employer to take the next step. And finally, we close the letter with a thank you and sign off. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you. Sincerely, Alexandra M. Bennett. This is a classic and professional closing. She's expressing gratitude, which is always a good tone to end on. And the use of sincerely is formal and appropriate for a job application. So there you have it. This is a well-written, confident, and professional fitness trainer job application letter. Let's quickly recap what makes it strong. It begins with clear contact details and a professional format. It opens with a confident introduction and a personalized reason for applying. It includes specific qualifications, certifications, and success stories. It expresses real interest in the company and invites a conversation. And finally, it closes on a polite and optimistic note. If you're writing your own fitness trainer application letter, remember to personalize it with your own experiences, certifications, and training style. Always aim to show why you're a good fit and how your skills will benefit the company. Thanks for watching this episode of Writing Tutorials. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos where we help you write better letters, step by step. See you next time.